Alright, now a lot of perfume reviews and other reviews, but then in this video, I'm specifically going to assist you with how to make your home smell good without breaking the bank. I recently went to Dubai and went to the Dubai Mall, obviously, and that place, let me tell you, it smells amazing. If you're someone who's already visited there, I mean, you know what I'm trying to say. And if you're someone who is about to visit, trust me, I don't know what fragrance they use, but then amazing. I'm pretty sure the setup must be a little bit on a higher side because of course it's the Dubai Mall. But then you do not need to spend more in order to make your home smell good. And today I'm going to help you out with that. For years now, I've been using Aldrome, this one. And I'm showing you this one specifically because this is my personal favorite. I use it in my living room, in my office, everywhere. This tiny bottle is a game changer. Now, I'm not saying they only offer this. I mean, it's a 100 ml bottle, but then they are also available in 500 ml, a liter. Just take a look at this one. This is entirely empty. I've used it completely. It's Velvet Rose and Oud and it's a 500 gram. Now, not just this, they also offer multiple sizes. Like if you want something that is more than this, you can contact them. The reason why hotels, malls and all these places smell amazing is because they use these kind of layering everywhere. Let's say reed diffusers, let's say anything. I mean, smoke diffusers, aroma diffusers, anything. They use these kind of oils and that is how their place smells amazing all the time. Aldrome offers high quality fragrance oils that are strong, long lasting and super versatile. They come in sizes from 10 ml all the way up to the bulk quantities. So whether you're trying your office, home, cafe or a huge hotel, they got you covered. Now, the best thing about these oils that I've noticed is that they are versatile perfume oils. You can use them anywhere and in any method. You don't need like costly equipments to use them. Let's say if you have a reed diffuser, you can just pour the oil, put the reeds and you're good to go. The reed diffuser is the most classic way to use aroma fragrance oils because it is going to infuse in the air slowly and as soon as you enter your room, you're going to get the oil. The second option is going to be a mist humidifier. You can just put a few drops into your water and turn the humidifier on. That's it. This is going to help your room smell good faster as compared to the reed diffuser, but then you need to have the humidifier for this. The best and the most affordable option, the cotton ball hack. You can just get a jar, you can just get a few cotton balls, put some oil on the cotton balls and just keep it in your wardrobe or maybe at your office. And that's it. Till the time the cotton balls have that moisture of the oil, they are going to project and they are going to give you good scent. You can drop some oil and put them wherever you want. Closet shelves, inside drawers, behind the toilet, in your car, even inside your shoe cabinet. They are so versatile, you can even use them as DIY room sprays. I mean, get some water, add some oil, make it as strong as you want and just use it in your room. That's it. If you're someone who's making candles, you can even use these oils in your candles. I mean, they are very versatile. That is the best thing that I love about these oils. And the only reason why I am highlighting these fragrance oil is because I've been personally using them for almost 8 years now. I was into candle business for a few years and we use this oil in our candles. So that is why this specific brand is one of my personal favorite. Plus the best thing here is the price and availability. You can order them from anywhere and they'll deliver it to you. Now these aren't just for your homes, they are for spas and salons, yoga studios, office spaces, hotels, small cafe. If you're running Airbnb, you can use it. Plus even for gifting option because again, it's very versatile. So to sum it up, I know that there are a lot of heavy machines that some brands offer and they smell amazing. I know that very well, but that is not the only thing you can use to make your home or place smell good. You can even use these oils and just do some DIY stuff. Now, I had to do a lot of research to get these oils for my candle brand back then, but then I think this video is going to help you a lot. If you're someone who's looking to get just a little bit oil for your personal use for your home office, you can use them any way you want. Or if you're a brand who's looking to get perfume oils for your perfumes, candles and aroma diffusers, I'll mention the link in the description for Aldrome. You can simply visit them and contact them and I hope it helps you like it helped me. We'll see you in the next one, guys.